Want a spotless home without lifting a finger? These are the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025 that do the work for you fast, powerful, and totally hands-free. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025, going over product details, customer reviews, and the pros of each one so you'll know exactly which one fits your lifestyle. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Eufy 60 Lira Robot Vacuum. The Eufy 60 Lira offers 5,000 pascals suction, hair detangling technology, and up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning thanks to its self-empty station. Reviews? Customers love how it removes hair without clogging, making it perfect for homes with pets. Pros? 60 days hands-free cleaning. 5,000 pascals strong suction. Hair detangling system. Compact and reliable design. Great for pet owners. Number 2. MAMNV 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum. The MAMNV Robot Vacuum combines vacuuming and mopping in one slim 2.87-inch body. It works with Alexa, voice control, and app scheduling, and follows a zigzag path for better coverage. Reviews? Users highlight its quiet operation and budget-friendly price, calling it a great choice for smaller homes. Pros? 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. Alexa and app compatible. Slim design fits under furniture. Self-charging. Affordable and efficient. Number 3. Roborock Q8 Max. The Roborock Q8 Max delivers 5,500 pascals suction with a dual-roller brush to reduce hair tangling. It uses lighter navigation and obstacle avoidance for precise mapping and multi-level cleaning. Reviews? Owners say it's powerful on carpets and hardwood floors, and the mapping is spot on. Pros? 5,500 pascals, powerful suction. Dual-roller anti-tangle brush. Lighter smart navigation. Obstacle avoidance. Perfect for pet hair and larger homes. Number 4. Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This budget-friendly 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop offers 3,200 pascals suction, app and voice control, and a slim design that easily slides under beds and couches. Reviews? Users praise it for daily maintenance cleaning, saying it's simple and effective for both pet hair and dust. Pros? Affordable 2-in-1 cleaner. 3,200 pascals suction power. Wi-Fi, app and voice control. Slim design. Great entry-level option. Number 5. Shark AV2501AE AI. The Shark AV2501AE AI features an XL HEPA self-empty base with 60-day capacity, advanced lighter navigation, and AI-powered obstacle avoidance. It's Alexa compatible and designed for both carpets and hard floors. Reviews? Customers call it a reliable, heavy-duty cleaner perfect for families and larger households. Pros? XL 60-day HEPA self-empty base. Smart lighter navigation. AI obstacle avoidance. Works with Alexa and Wi-Fi. Great for big homes and pet owners. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that's our list of the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025. If you want long hands-free cleaning, the Eufy 60 Lira and Shark AV2501AE are top picks. For a powerful all-around option, the Roborock Q8 Max is unbeatable. And if you're on a budget, the MAMNV and other mop combos give you excellent value. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.